Hey, what's up, guys? I'm going to put out another video to help you do your homework. We're talking about complementary angles. Complementary angles, remember, are angle pairs that have a sum of 90 degrees. If you've not watched the video I put out a few weeks ago about angles, you need to watch that one first before you watch this one, okay? All right, let's get started. All right, this is just to help you with your assignment and your homework that's coming up in the next few days. All right, let's start off with an easy one. We're going to have a right angle. Remember, right angles are 90 degrees, and they're symbolized by that little box you can put in it. So this is 90 degrees, right? It's like a perfect L. Okay? So if this, we're going to dissect it right here. We're going to cut it up into two little pieces, this piece and this piece. If this piece is 31, how much is this piece? Well, we know from here to here, this whole thing is 90 degrees, right? 90 degrees. A right angle is 90 degrees. Well, if this little piece is 31, how big does this piece have to be? We're going to do 90 minus 31 equals 59. So this guy is 59 degrees. And if you want to check it to make sure, 59 and 31 equal 90. So all you have to do on these simple ones, take the measurement you already know. In this case, it was 31, and subtract it from 90, and you get your answer. Okay? That's nice and easy. Now we're going to get into the more complicated ones that involve solving for a variable. Okay? So let's try this one. I'm going to have a 90-degree angle. Remember, these are called 90-degree angles. They're called right angles. Right angles are 90 degrees, right? So this whole big thing right here, this whole big piece, this whole big angle is 90 degrees. All right, we're going to put a line through it. We're going to divide it up. Let's just do it right here. We're going to call this one, let's call this one 2x plus 4. And we're going to call this one 5x plus 2. And on this problem, all I want you to do is find how much this x is worth, this mystery number. It's going to be the same here and here. It's going to be the same little mystery number. Let's figure out what it is. Okay? So here's what you do. Remember that these two angles make 90. When you add this one and this one, it makes 90. Remember, this whole big piece is 90. So we cut it up into little pieces, this piece and this piece. Together they make 90. So we're going to come over here. We're going to add them together. We're going to add this one, 2x plus 4. And we're going to add this one to it, 5x plus 2. What do we already know when you add this one and this one together? How much should it be? Well, we know if you take this piece and add this piece to it, it is 90. Because that little box there tells you it's a right angle. Okay? So we're going to combine like terms first. Combine these friends. 2x is friends with 5x. And that's 7x. 4 goes with 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. And it still equals 90. Now we're going to take this 6, subtract it on both sides. We did this before Christmas. So what do we end up with? 7x. This wipes out because 6 minus 6 is 0. It's gone. Equals 90 minus 6 is 84. And now always, remember, you always divide by the number in front of the variable. So x equals 84 divided by 7, which is 12. So the answer to this question is x equals 12. Now, how big are, you don't have to do this on your homework, but if you want to be a little extra, how big is each one of these angles? Well, you just take the x and replace it with a 12. 2 times 12 is 24, and 24 plus 4 is 28, so this one's 28. And 5 times 12 is 60, and 60 plus 2 is 62, so you have one, this piece is 62, and this piece is 28. That's how big the actual angles are, but in this problem, I just want you to tell me how much is x worth. So basically, in a nutshell, to make it easy, when you have a problem like this, add these two together. 5x and 2x make 7x. 2 and 4 make 6, and set them equal to 90, and then solve your two-step equation. Instead of adding 6, we subtract 6, get 84, and then divide it by 7. Do every problem like this. You'll have no issues. If you need help, reach out to me through email or on Microsoft Teams. Thanks. Bye.